Since its founding in 1993, DXN has become one of the biggest direct selling companies in the world. The company is now present in more than 180 countries, and their products are distributed by over 6 million members all around the globe. DXN is the 24th biggest direct selling company in the world. The success of DXN is due to the discovery of Dr. Lim Seo Jin, who recognized the health benefits of an ancient Asian mushroom species, AGANODERMA, which has been used in traditional Asian medicine for thousands of years. Dr. Lim's vision has been to make these outstanding health products made from AGANODERMA, also known as Lingzi, accessible in the whole world, using a unique marketing strategy called One World, One Market.